What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Josh, aka SaefongOutdoors. Today we're back at one of my favorite places. It's actually the place where I caught my personal best bass, a 6-pound, 6-ounce largemouth bass. We're at Lake Berryessa. It's a crazy day. The winds are up super high today. It's actually one of the worst days to go fishing, but it's the day that I was free and I really wanted to get out here. Even though it's super windy, I'm super excited and I do have a good feeling about today. So I hope we get on them and I hope you stick around. Come on. Other than the wind, it's a beautiful day today. And it's the exact place that I caught my PB. The dock came out right here where that bush was, and I made this cast over here to this bank with a chatterbait, all white chatterbait, swimming it back right here, right across these brushes right here. 6-pounder, ate it. This is where I'm actually about to make my first cast. My plan today is to just stay inside this little cove. I believe it's called Capel Cove. With winds up to 20 miles per hour, I don't even want to try. I just want to stay somewhere protected. Hopefully the bass are up shallow, pushed up into this cove, getting ready to spawn. That's my plan for today.
What's that?
Was it crazy out there?
Yeah, you don't want to go to the open area.
Yeah, for sure.
1 foot swell.
Damn.
Yeah. We gotta take it from there.
Scared to stand up on the kayak today. I'm excited to finally get to try this little bait, man. Just a little jig head, minnow style bait. I believe this is the Hog Farmer Spunk Shad. Running that on a Shimano Stratic FL 2500 size and a DC 702 SF from Dobbins. 7-foot medium light, fast action rod. I'm excited, man. Doesn't this area just look so fishy? Behind some trees, a little shallower water. It's pre-spawn right now, it's March. So I feel like bass are moving up more shallow, trying to find places to spawn. We're inside a little cove too. Got it. Woo! Might have gotten the water for this one, no lie. Just lost the Kitech jig. That's okay. But this is a limited edition Vision 110 jerk bait. Not losing this one. Shallower over here. I feel like the water just got up here though with all the rain recently, so I don't know if the fish have moved up here yet. Just a midday update. It's 12:30 now. Still haven't figured anything out. I've actually come shallower and still haven't seen any fish, haven't gotten any bites. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. It is still super windy, so I still have to stay in this cove, but I might go back and fish near lunch. I'm just gonna flip these trees and try to catch one. That's the only plan I got for right now. right, folks. Now that we got some food in our stomach, it's time to go catch some fish. Cut off the Ned rig and going with the tried and true Wacky Rig Senko. My favorite color right here is the baby bass color. Let's see if we can make something happen. This setup is literally perfect for it. This is the Shimano Stratic CI4 2500, and then this is the DC 703 SF, made for Senkos. It's perfect. Love this rod, man. When it gets tough, this is 100% my confidence bait. I know some people, they love the drop shot, but I love the Senko. And that's gonna be it for this one, guys. I know it wasn't an exciting one, didn't catch any fish at all, but that's the reality of fishing. Sometimes you don't always catch them. I still had a great day on the water. You know, it was super windy, but when the wind stopped, it was really beautiful. Did get to see some wildlife, got to see some birds, some deers. Getting on the water is always a great time. You know what they say, a bad day of fishing is better than a good day at work. And I appreciate you if you stuck around this far. Hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, I'll catch you next time.